Hi there, readers. Today I want to blends. So if you remember, a blend is two or more consonants that are put together to make a sound. Today we're just going to focus on two blends, two consonants that are put together. Even though they're put together to make a new sound, they still have their own sound that you need to make or capture as you say the word. Let's look at an example. If you see C, you know S says S, C says K. So I can put them together to make sk, like in scarf. Let's look at the next one. BR. B makes the B sound. R makes the R sound. If I put them together, I make brr, like in broom. And now let's check out the last one in that row. This is a B and an L. B says B, L says L. I put them together to make bull, like in block. This can be really tricky work, so it's very important that you make sure you say each consonant sound as you're reading the word. Let's do a little fun game. This is called the blend talk. So do you remember when we had our lunch talk and we changed the different sounds at the beginning? This is very similar, but we're going to play it with blends. So I see Mabel sitting right here. I would change the beginning sounds to BL. So I may say, Bly, Blabel. Did you see what I did there? I changed the H in high to bull, Bly. Changed the in Mabel to bull, Blabel. Isn't that funny? This is something that you can play at home. You can do this with anything. Look around. You may be thinking about what you're wearing. And you might say, I'm wearing a blurt, blantz, and blues. You could try this with food or look around. Anything that you do, you could use blends. And you don't have to just do BL. You can use this chart and make up some new funny words. I'll give you a second to try this on your own. Great job, readers. Now, let's put it in sentences. So if you look, I circled the first sentence. You can look at the picture to help you too. Can you read it? Awesome. Can you read it with me? I see CR, which makes cur. I see a crab. Let's look at the next sentence. Do you see CR again? I do. Let's read this sentence. I like to use crayons. And now let's look at the last sentence. You see that it's different, don't you? And you see that there's two of them? Wow, good job, readers. I see GR too. I'm going to give you a second to read it. Okay, now read it with me. The grass is green. You see GR again? Wow. I think we can read this one together. Are you ready? I like grapes. Ooh, we changed this one. I see the BR. What does BR say? You're right. It says brr. Okay, let's read this one. I brush my teeth. And you see BR again. Very good. Do you remember what it says? Brr. Let's read this one. I like bread. Awesome job, readers. Remember, when you are reading and you come across a blend, you need to say both sounds. You might need to back up and reread. That's okay. And when you're writing and you want to spell a blend, remember to write both consonants. All right, are you ready to try this in your own reading? Off you go.